Hi, here's my weekly review of the markets. The last week was a very funny market in the sense that for the first 3 days the markets were under pressure, and then the last 2 days suddenly the markets got a new life. And this was reflected both in terms of the FII flows, where there was negative for the first 2 days, and the last 3 days a slight positive FI flows. And similarly, DIIs also were a bit colder, but the last day on Friday, they put in 5,000 odd crores. So what accounts for this thing? Net FI selling was still negative, but the reason why this is happening is because three reasons. One is the FIIs, this is the booking profits period. And since Indian market, they haven't made much money, the profit booking India is less, so I think the net flows have turned positive. As far as DIS is concerned, I think there was some favorable news more from the geo side, where the US inflation data come in much lower than expected, and hence there was a rally in rate sensitives in the market here. So I think that for the coming week, this gives a good indication that probably is going to be again a very thinner FII flows, could turn be marginally positive, and DIs will continue to be softly supporting the market because right now they will also be building up their cash balances for the run up to the January earnings season. It's the typical DII behavior. So expect a fairly I might use the Hindi word thanda market in the coming week, and it's global things like Europe deciding to use $250 billion of frozen Russian money to give to Ukraine to fight the war. So these are things likely to impact from a geopolitics perspective. And the second is that the Indian VIX has come down below 10, so which also means there's a more calmer market. So look forward to a fairly stable market in the coming week. Thank you.